everybody, I've got this garden organizer here for an unboxing and review. Just pulled everything out of the box and here's everything that came in it. I got the parts over on the table here, but here's all the big pieces. Here's all the fasteners that came with it. A couple of wrenches, Allen wrench, some screws, nuts, smaller screws, a couple of these. These are for when you pop in the handle of something. I found it helpful to lay it on its side like this. Lay that piece down there, set that on there, and then slide your two screws up here, your J pieces, and then put the nut on, nut M. Now we'll do the same thing with the other side. Okay, actually what I'm going to do is take this piece and drop it down a level, right where this is at. One of those pieces are going to go. This actually will go almost flush with the ground. Down through this one, not through the second one up. All right, got those two layers on. Those two shelves. All right, I got that top one on. So a couple things to note here. So when you put that top one on, actually in the second one too, see how these holes are in the front? This thing's kind of offset here, right at that bottom. You want those small holes in the front, and you want these bigger holes right here in the back, these two, because we're gonna put that baby on there next. So you want to be able to go from here to here. Now we'll go ahead and put this on there. Now for putting this one on, we're going to use these smaller ones here. These are those K fasteners. And I'm just going to use this to tighten down all the fasteners. So we got the X on there. Get that all tight along with the shelves. Okay, went around and tightened up every single fastener so far. Now we're going to go ahead and install these. These are going to go on the side like this.